Well, my backyard is a huge puddle. We had a blizzard yesterday, so it's just mud everywhere because today it's like 40 degrees. So I'm thrown in the mud, which is why that ugly ass pink towel's hanging up there. But I'm doing one spin practice today, so I thought I'd make a little collage of montage of the throws and let you see how it goes for me in my practice session. I will include them all as long as time permits. So muddy. Over rotating. That would have stuck. So a lot of my misses would actually be sticks, but I would be hitting in the 3 or 2 range instead of the 4 or 5, which are the only freaking things I have. I keep taking chunks off, making my target smaller and smaller and smaller. Training. There it is. Really? That's what we're looking for. Gonna own that place. Oh, I'm so pumped for Vegas. I really hope that I do really good at this thing. If I can throw like that the whole time, I might actually place. According to the director of the Game of Throws, it's going to be about 35 people or so in the amateur division, give or take. So I've got a 1 in approximately 35 chance of placing, right? That's how that works, right? But then I also think, you know, that's 34 other people that I have to beat. I can't freaking wait to face you all. This is gonna be epic. Another chunk. Damn it. I haven't actually scored myself on correctly sized targets in a long time. Here lately, when I play a match, I've been averaging around the 160 mark. So that's only with a 4 and a 5. And I guess what's left of my 3s. There's not very much left of the 3 marker. But I try to be oppositional. International knife throwing rules dictates that if you are on 2 lines, you take the higher point. I always take the lower point. Standard bullseyes are about 4 inches around. Mine's 1. So it's kind of a give and take. I'm hoping that these small training factors really pay off in the long run. But I suppose that remains to be seen. I will let you know, though. Right. A lot of my misses, for example, that one would not be misses in a competitive situation. That one would have stuck into what I assume would be the 3-point ring for them. Maybe the 4-point ring. I'm not entirely sure, honestly, but it would have stuck. It just missed my target. They will need to be replaced soon. That one might have just missed. Just taking chunks out every other time, it seems like. Would have stuck, but missed my target. I just slipped. And that was a bad throw. See, it makes a big difference if you really stop, quit fucking around, and actually, like, you know, aim and stuff. It makes a big difference. Who's fucking around? It ain't me, is it? God darn wind. There we go. So you don't need bullseyes every single time to win. But what you do need is to stick all 3. The closer the better, obviously, but if you stick all 3, you're almost guaranteed to get a double-digit point. So anything in the 4 ring, 3 ring, well, 3 and a 4 combo, I guess. 3 ring and 3 times is 9. that doesn't work. But if you get all 3 sticks, you're more likely to get 12, 14, 13, 15 points. And if you can do that consistently, you're almost guaranteed to break 200. So that's really the goal. It's not necessarily to hit a bullseye every time, but it is to stick every single knife, every single throw. Obviously, I'm not there yet, but I am getting closer. So, and if I take my time, apply myself, focus and aim, it tends to work a lot better. Sometimes I just get a little antsy and throw fast. I assure you, come competition, that will not be the case. But that's the main pinpoint goal, that if you are training for any competition in knife throwing or axe throwing, is not necessarily hit every bullseye, but to hit at least every throw. So good luck with that.